Sister Sheena, Finance Officer Father John Nunn, coordinators, teachers, and my dear The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays.
The organization and human rights activity work harder to uphold the dignity and rights of all people, making inroad to end violence, war, discrimination, hunger, poverty, and injustice.
It is my pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Mr. John Devaraj, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today.
Why truth so bitter, justice so out of reach, and dissent so unpalatable? By Father Swamy. Father Swamy was a Catholic priest, a member of the Jesuit order, and a human rights activist. Father Stan spent over 3 decades with the Adivasi communities of India. During this time, he gained a deep understanding about them and the injustice they faced. Since then, he vowed to fight for their rights and to bring justice to them. He pursued this noble goal until October 2020, when he was arrested on unjust charges. Father Stan suffered from Parkinson's disease, and his health rapidly deteriorated while in prison. And sadly, on the 5th of July 2021, he passed away. Father Stan received multiple awards for his humanitarian efforts, such as the Mukundan C. Menon Award for Human Rights and the Human Rights Defenders Award 2022. Father Stan is remembered today by the Jesuit Society of India. Thank you.
Human rights should be upheld in all situations and all costs. I call upon the students of Class 5 to present an action song dedicated to Father Stan Swamy.
Reach out your hand and to try and love people over the world. We are the same, just different colors. We want to live, so much to give and so much to share. There's no going wrong, there's happiness there. People over the world love play a chain like sisters and brothers. Teach me with a smile and in one sunshine of you feel one thing inside, no need to hide from dangers and fear. And touch one another. People over the world, we are the same, just different colors. We have one life to live, so much to give and so much to share. There is love to be found. Just look around. Reach out your hand. Reach out your hand. Reach out your
I'm very happy to be here and pay this tribute to Father Stan, my first teacher. I'm proud that all of you are studying in a Jesuit organization. You take it very high. We need to develop or produce a culture of peace, and I believe that all of you are very, very, very talented. Do you believe that? Do you believe in yourself? Yes. You believe in yourself? Are you ready to bring about peace? Super, wonderful.
One lesson that we can learn from Father Stan is that truth cannot be hidden. Truth cannot be hidden. Father Stan Swamy, one who fought for the human rights, especially of the Adivasis and tribals, he was arrested to shut his mouth. And he died in the hospital, in the prison. But his legacy and what he did for these Adivasis and tribals remains alive. We are celebrating his death anniversary mainly because to tell the world that truth cannot be hidden. And we need to stand for the truth always.